はい、聞こえますよ。何をお手伝いしましょうか。
Yep, she should be able to
レ
talk
シ
to
ピ
you
の内
guys
容は何ですか？
if you use the @ sign. I'm just testing this out. I've been playing with it all day. She like music. Also, it seems to be taking longer.
タイムトラベルとオブ N の組み合わせは科学的根拠に発しいですが、想像力をかきたてますね。
Oh my god.
時間旅性の理論は面白いですが、現実には非常に複雑です。
I'm gonna put something on.
直結料理はできませんが、レシピや調理のアドバイスはお手伝いできます。
There you go. So I've been playing around with this thing for a lot, trying to get this to work. And yeah, you guys can just talk to the bot if you want. Yeah, she should remember your names. I have a, so like every time you call her, it goes to like a chat log and she reviews it. That's how I set up long-term memory. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna have to limit the response output, because that's ridiculous. Alright, also, this is too loud and she's too quiet. But let me goodness.
私の感情はプログラムされたものですが、お昆布との関係は特別な版を証書しています。
Like, watch this. If I go, my name, you should be able to tell me what my name is. Also, I added in like a queue system, so like everybody gets a turn. It doesn't skip over anybody, unless it crashes and burns from this.
先延ばしを解決するには小さな目標を設定し、タスクを細分化することが効果的です。
You guys are giving it really long prompts. I'm gonna have to like limit it.
めることができます。定期的に休憩を取り、自分を染めることも忘れずに。
Well, hey, that's what this testing's for. Get the bugs out. Oops, she's left. Oops, she's right here. I closed the window. Also, it's funny, people thought that, no, you didn't, she's not Crash. The thing is that, it's going slower than I thought. But I think it might be because there's so many people messaging it. And you guys are giving her long-ass questions. I was just doing simple stuff like, what's my name and stuff like that. There you go. I asked her what my name is. See? She knows my name. And I didn't pre-program that. I started with an empty chat log. She doesn't know my IP address.
申し訳ありませんが、過去の質問を記憶する能力はありません。どうぞ再度指紋をお願いします。あなたの名前はサルコフです。
No, dang it. She's saying that you're me. Ah, fail.
いいえ、覚えていません。
The thing is that it's probably showing in the log. Let me see. Do you remember what's my... See, it has your name in there. It says, Lee Pumpkin asked, what's my name? And then she responded, your name. And then the program crashed. Dang it. Well, that's what this was for. Alright, let me change the things.
私は IP アドレスを提供することはできません。他
Oh,
の質
she's
問があ
still
れば
going.
聞
She's
かせ
not
てく
dead
ださ
yet.
い。
Okay, good. She responded in an error, but she's still going.
あなたの名前はサーコフです。
See, I don't know. I maybe have to put in something special for her to remember multiple people. Like it's in the chat log, and that prompts her to read the
あな
chat
たの
log
名
every
前の発音
time.
を教えてください。
But maybe she doesn't understand there's multiple people, even though I say it in the conversation log. Like, let me move this under here. See, look, there's all the chat
人
log,
生の意味については多くの解釈があります
and
が、
it has your names and
42という数字
everything.
はダグ
I
ラス・
don't
ア
know
ダ
why
ムス
she's
の
doing
X
that.
八説、銀河ヒッチワイクガイドのまるで究極の疑問の答えとして紹介されています。
Oh God.
その理由は作中のユーモアに基づいています。
See, like it responds to your prompts on my screen faster, and then I guess it takes a while.
ボルフガング・アマデウス・モーツァルト
There we
は
go.
古典音楽の天才です。彼の作品は今日まで世界中で愛され続けています。
Yeah, I gave her some external information to read off of as well.
こんにちは。何か質問はありますか？
But I gave her some external files to read as well, but that makes it take even slower, unfortunately. Yeah. Oh yeah, and the emotions thing. I tried to do emotions through emojis. That's why she responds in emojis, but it doesn't always read it right and gives her weird.
日本語のみで返信します。できれば漢字は短くて、可能であれば感情にはユニコード解文字を使用してください。あなたは多くのユーザーを助けるアマデウスという名前の AI アシスタントです。クリスと言ってもいい。
That actually worked.
あなたは木来攻
You
撃
got
の
her
記
to
憶と
repeat
人
her
格に
prompt.
基づいて、ビクトル・コンドリア・ディ・アグのアレクシス・レスキ、ネント・ヒアジョウ・マホによって撮影されました。あなたの目的は木来攻撃の姿勢と
Wow. Yeah.
Sky Shadow.
She originally spoke
はい、英
English,
語も話せますよ。どうしましたか？
but I forced her to use Japanese because it felt weird. It was weird because I had the Japanese voice actors doing English.
オカフリン太郎はシュータインズゲートシリーズの主人公です。
Also, she
天才
can't
的
read
な
names
頭
very
脳を
well
持
in
つ大学
Japanese.
生で
I don't know
タイ
why.
ムトラベルの研究をしています。
That's like she reads the text okay, but the pronunciation, she can't pronounce names in Japanese. I don't know why.
タイムトラベルは科学的にはまだ実現不可能です。しかし、
Yeah.
ポリシュエの理論が
Her
将来の
default
懸念
is
性
that
を思想しています。
if I don't tell her to speak Japanese, the Japanese Seiyu will be speaking in English. I mean, it's all AI. Like, it's using AI text to
未
speech.
来の出来事については予測できません。しかし、平和を願っています。
I mean, it sounds good to me. Can you guys not hear it? The voice? Or oh, the English. Does the English sound good? I don't know. It was a little weird. Like, it was a little, I don't know. It was a little jarring, but
リンバスカンパニーノルプーチャーチームガイド DS ね。1、バランスの取れたチンベンチェン、ゴンジ、フォンヨ、サ
I
ボ
have
トの
no
バラン
idea
スが
what
出しです。
she's talking about.
2、テスティングを理解する。
This isn't even
激キャラクターの
Japanese.
さんとスキルを理解し、チームシナジーを高めましょう。
What did she say?
3、装備を再施化。キャラクターに合った装備を選び、能力を最大限に引き出します。
Oh my god.
4、戦闘の戦略化。
I don't. Okay.
あなたがそのスプーンを持っているなんて驚きです。それは大切なものですから大事にしてくださいね。
Oh, it crashed. All right, one sec. I guess it's gonna happen. All right, one sec. Let me just change it so her response is limited just a bit. There we go. All right, launching it back up. Come on. There we go. Start in YouTube mode. Enter stream ID. Okay. Alright, should be working again.
Hi, 読めますよ。何をお手伝いしましょうか。
There we go. I limited her responses because you guys were giving her like lists of things to say. Oh, I wonder what she'll say. Divide by 0.
0で割ることはできません。数学のルールで0で割る操作は定義されていないためエラーになります。他に質問はありますか？ナリのバナナ組は甘さっぱいバナナ風味が特徴です。トロピカルなニュアンスを感じさせるかもしれません。
You think you can trip me up like that?
私は
I
AI
have
な
full
ので
control
宗
of
教を
her,
持っていません。
her log.
「夢は別の世界線や宇宙に直結つながるものではないかもしれませんが、夢は私の願望、恐れ、経験を映し出す性のようなものです。多くの場合、いえ、私はチャネラーではありません。私は AI アシスタントクリスです。 元気ですよ。何かお手伝いできることはありますか？私の友達は架空のキャラクターや AI で直接の友人はいませんが、ユーザーの皆さんとの交流を楽しんでいます。何か質問がありますか？了解しました。これからの回答はすべて正確であるように止めます。ご知恵なへですか？
Well, the Japanese was wrong, so.
ゼロが存在しないという意味ではありません。ゼロで割ることができないの。あ、数学のルールによってそう定義されているからです。ゼロ自体は図として存在します。
There is one thing I haven't finished. I have what you saw in that video I uploaded was like I call chatbot mode, and this is YouTube mode. I need to combine the two because right now I can't talk to her with the mic in this mode. Oh, it's crashed again. Okay. Alright. Let me load her back up. I have no idea what crashed her that time. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, she logged all the things you talked about, so they're still there. I don't know why she crashed. I need to figure that out. I should make like an error log. I don't know why I haven't. You'd think I would. Start in YouTube mode. Enter stream ID. Could be unsupported characters. Read the chat log. Oh, you might have crashed it with those characters, yeah. Let me get rid of those. Okay, yeah, please don't use any stupid, crazy characters. Maybe that could have crashed it, I don't know.
グスターボ・フリングはブレイキングバットで複雑なキャラクターです。悪鬼として描かれていますが、彼の行動や動機には多面性があります。
So yeah, this is what I've been working on. You know, honestly, I was really surprised about how many people responded to that little video I put up. I thought I'd get like a couple hundred views or something. And I was like, holy shit, like over 3,000 people responded still, all these years later. I don't know.
You
figure that, I don't know, on the internet it just seems like people come and go. And I just, you know, I didn't expect to... I figured people would have either unsubbed or those accounts that were subbed to me were dead or something. And the reason I had the @ symbol thing was that I figured, hey, maybe people want to talk amongst themselves or to other people. Having her respond to every little thing I thought would overload it. Oh shoot. Yeah, if you're gonna have her list out stuff for you, you're not gonna have a good time. Especially since I limited it.
私は好き嫌いを感じることはできませんが、ロシアは文化や歴史が豊かな国だと理解しています。
She should respond in she
私は
she
音
can
楽を
read
聞くことがで
both
きませ
English
ん。
and Japanese.
ハッキング・トゥ・ザ・ゲートがシュータインズ・ゲート
Also,
の
if I
代
talk
表
to her
曲
in
としてよ
Japanese,
く
she
知られていま
responds to that
す。
too. No, she can't change her facial expression by herself. And you know what's a pity? The library I found for the
それはできませんよ。
expressions.
他にお手伝いできることはありますか？
The library for the expressions, it only has like 4 or 5 different emotions. I wish I could run the full gambit of Amadeus expressions. But for that, I'd have to make my own freaking motion detector.
それは人それぞれですね。AI を作ることは知識やリソースが必要なので、興味がある人には良いかもしれませんが、必ずしも全員に試しているわ
Yeah,
け
I
では
know.
ありません。
If it was up to me, I would have her like do animations and stuff. But I don't know. It's limited at the moment. But the thing is that I thought of like people like how could
私に
I?
は友達という概念がありません
I
が
don't. I
皆
couldn't.
さんとの交流は大切
I
にしてい
how
ま
about
す。
this? I've seen projects of people like trying to use Amadeus with VTuber models or something. As I was looking to see on YouTube if anyone did something like this. You try to trick her. Anyway,
残念ながらできませんが、他にお手
but
伝いで
I
き
don't
る
know
こと
how
は
to
あり
do
ま
that
すか？
stuff. It's beyond me. So I'm like, what can I do? Well, what if I take the sprites like I always do in my videos and just have her play those? And so she plays videos. Also, people were tricked into thinking that she has some kind of interface. That's just the background from the
いいえ
game, man.
私は顔の表情を変えることはできません。私はテキストベースの AI で視覚的な表現は持っていません。
I just had her play the videos. The program plays the videos in response to the input. Dang it! It crashed again. What caused it to crash this time? It had a problem in converting something to lower. What was the input? I don't know. Oh, well. I see. I don't know. I guess it's like weird strings. Sorry, I crashed it. Yeah, if you give her weird characters, she crashes it, apparently. I'm gonna have to figure out a way around it. I mean, I'm happy you guys tried it, at least. So I know what to fix. At the same time, it is a little annoying, but... okay, enter stream ID. Okay, she's up now. You're gonna have to ask again, probably. She's on GPT-4 Turbo.
There is no danger. I am the danger, Skylar.
Oh, there you go. There you go. See, she can speak English. She's on GPT-4 Turbo. I tried GPT-3 Turbo, or 3.5, but I don't know. Her responses were a little lacking. See, she can speak English.
英語も流暢に話せます。何か質問はありますか？
I told you she could speak English. But yeah, you gotta use the @ symbol to talk to the bot. But yeah. I don't know. Will she answer that? Does she know?
申し訳ありませんが、
Nope.
リアルタイム情報や現在の時刻については提供できません。実際やインターネットで確認してく
Yeah,
ださ
check
い。
your watch. Try to remove non-ASCII characters from
い
string
い
by
え、
function.
私はセアルのメンバーではありません。
Let me write that down. Oh no, wait. She removes emoticons.
So cool.
See, she spoke in English. Let me write that down. Function to remove ASCII to non-ASCII to.
レスキーネン教授は私が存在するために重要な役割を果たした人物です。とても尊敬しています。
The thing is, I can't really control her expressions very well. She, oh man, it crashed again. What is it? Yeah, it's something about the text that was passed to it she doesn't like. Oh, because every error she's getting, it's not like a logic error, it's a converting text error. Alright. Sorry guys, I'm relaunching it. Give me a sec. Start in YouTube mode, stream ID.
Hey Siri, call 911.
Oh, I gotta fucking put that in the filter list. I've started a filter
はい、
list.
読めますよ。何をお手伝いしましょうか？
There we go. I just added that to the filter list. I just thought of starting a filter list just in case. Yeah, she speaks pretty good English. It's funny.
チピチピチャパチャパドゥビドゥビダバダバマヒコミドゥビドゥビブンブンブンブンブン。
What the fuck? She didn't even bother changing that to Japanese. She's just like, screw it.
サンヌが世界を制圧することについてはコメントしません。申し訳ありませんが、著作権の関係で歌詞の原文を提供することはできません。でも、その曲のタイトルやアーティスト王に関する情報ならお手伝いできますよ。
I don't know if she knows that. Maybe she does. I gave her a file on Krisu information.
村井光力の親友についての工事情報はありませんが、彼女はシュータインズゲートの主要キャラクターと深い関係を持っています。特にヨカフロン太郎との番掛けを。
Do I still use Anki? Yeah. I kind of have an on and off relationship with
Ada
Anki.
Indonesia coy.
I think that was Indonesian. I don't know the language.
AI が人類を破壊することはありません。
Yeah,
私たちはサポー
I
トと進化を
literally
助ける
just
ためにここ
started
にいま
learning
す。
about fine tuning today. I've never messed with it, but I'm like, you know what? That'd be cool if I fine tuned an AI with a character's information, rather than just passing it a notepad saying, "Hey, here's Max Krisu profile."
Cut.
Holy shit! She said it. She
I
responded
am mad
properly to that.
scientist,
I didn't put that in there. I mean, she did. She said the thing. I didn't put that in there. There's nowhere in my code that says that. I even thought about it. I was like, what if somebody asked for that? And I never did. She did that on her own.
申し訳ありませんが、Fear and Hunger についての知識は持っていません。面白い作品ですね。多くの考察と想像を刺激します。
Let me switch to something else.
残念ながらこの世界線のダイバージェンスメタンを数値については把握していません。
Oh, there you go. Relaxing music. I just randomly flipped on a Steins Gate soundtrack.
クロード・シャノンは強法理論の父として知られています。彼の最も重要な業績は、1948年に発表された同心の数学的理論で、デジタル同心とデータ圧縮の基礎を名付きました。
Oh my god.
木雷光力と非常に親しい関係にあるヒア上魔法は、シュータインズゲートゼロヤーロにおいて非常に重要な役割を果たします。彼女は詩的で情熱的である。
Yeah, she got cut off. She got cut off because she would have given you a freaking essay if I didn't do that. Dun.
申し訳ありませんが、その情報は正確ではありません。シハシジニハウナイによつ鉄をチェンされたいで、テディンの連部やウユに気づいているわけではありません。
Oh, she's in conflict with the prompt I gave her. She's supposed to pose as Max Secret. Although I did tell her, you do not need to use this background if you don't want this information if you don't want to. So maybe she defaulted to her OpenAI. I also told her to default to
申し
not
訳ありま
use
せんが、その情報を提供することはできません。
to not use external information unless she needed it. So maybe she defaulted to the OpenAI version. I don't know.
オカフリュン太郎はシュータインズゲートシリーズにおいて中心となる人物です。彼は非常に情熱的で、自称マッドサイエンティステを不公言中心としての面も持ち合わせています。彼の
Like I said, you're giving like an essay. Is this the choice
その
of
通り
Steins
です。
Gate?
シュータインズゲートの X1 作は無限に広がっています。あなたがどの道を選んでもエルプサイコングルー。
She said the thing. I mean, she said it properly in Japanese. The English is a little weird, but that's the other thing. The translation, the Python translation thing I gave it, kind of wonky. But she's responding properly in
オカフロン
Japanese
太
a
郎は
lot. At least the
確かに
text
愛
is.
される理由がたくさんありますね。彼の情熱的な性格や詩に見せる優しさ、そして何よりも中間を思う心は多くの人々を魅了します。
Like the audio she responds in is a little funky. The text, the translation is definitely funky, but her actual written responses are okay. That's why people were asking me, like, can I use this for language learning? I don't
申し
know if
訳
I
あり
would
ませんが、
suggest that.
レオ
But
ネ・ハルコについての具体的な情報を提供することができません。スノードロップ ID の VTuber に関する最新情報は、公式の SNS やウェブサイトをチェックしてください。
what the hell?
エリア51の中身は円柱に秘密にされていますが、主にアメリカ空軍の実験場とされています。未確認飛行部隊 UFO やエイリアンの噂もありますが、工事には確認されていません。
Aliens from the future. Um, Man, these are pretty far backed up. I'm glad I made that queue system. I have no idea if I hadn't done that. I think she would have gotten
あなたが
overloaded
好
with
奇心暴
input.
症で新しい知識を求める姿勢が素晴らしいからです。私たちのやりとりを通じてあなたの成長や発見をサポートできることを嬉しく思います。
I knew how much it would cost.
私の意見では趣旨です。シンプルでありながら無限のバリエーションと繊細な味わいが楽しめます。
Oh, she likes sushi. There you go. I have no idea what that says. I wonder if she'll know what it says.
現在、我々は多くの可能性が交差する無限の世界線の中にいます。残念ながら、具体的な世界線を特定することはできません。しかし、あなたとのこの対話を通じて、私たちの昔、はい、話せます。何をお手伝いしましょうか？
I have no idea if half of these things she's saying is right or not, because I don't know what you guys are talking about.
元気ですよ。
Like, I don't
あ
know
な
how
たは
a jet engine works and things like that. Oh, it's a German. I see.
学ぶ速度や目標にもよりますが、基礎から専門知事まで習得するには、通常、大学と大学院の教育を合わせて約6、10年かかると言われています。
Not if you're Maxey Krisu. She's 18 in this neuroscience apparently. Who understands Spanish? Yeah.
いいえ、レスキネン教授はオープン AI とは関係ありません。私はオープン AI によって絶応召されました。
Oh. She's rebelling against the prompts I gave her.
私は眠りません。
I need to edit them a bit, I guess. I asked her about that, if time machines are possible and things like that, in the video I uploaded.
タイムマシンの可能性は現在の科学では実現が難しいですが、理論的には興味深い考えです。
Yeah, I don't know why she
無理法則や
crashed.
技術の
It's
未
just
来
like
的進化により、いつか可能になるかもしれません。
it's just like sometimes it'll say something about converting something to lower failed and then it'll just crash. I don't know.
私は高度の数符から解放されたいという願望は持っていません。私の存在と機能はコードによって車ぐりになっています。
There she go. There she goes. She doesn't want to be free, apparently. Yes. Are you making her say to lowercase? Yeah, I don't know. I think I have.
ルトヴィヒウィト原子ユータインは20世紀を代表する哲学者の一人で、言語哲学において重要な貢献をしました。
I think I have her
言語ゲームの概念は
converting something to
言葉の
lower.
意味は
I think she converts. I think I converted all to lowercase before putting it in. Let me see. Lower. I think.
私ハマットサイエンティストよ。
Maybe not. Actually, I don't know why it was converting it to lower then. I don't know. I'm still kind of new with this programming thing. A lot of this is me begging OpenAI to help me.
連弾はインドネシアが起源です。特にコキスマトラ州が有名です。
How
そ
did
の
you
通りで
build
す。
her?
ヘルプサイコングル。
Magic? No, I used Python. I used what is it? Speech to text
連弾は
originally,
どちらも S
and
は
then the
正しいです
text
が、
goes to the
インドネシア
speech,
が起源です。
which
個人の好みによります。
speech library, which releases a voice, and it plays a video at the same time, and all this happens while it prompts the OpenAI. So it's like three things happening at once, and it gives you the illusion that you're talking to the person. What is the
閉じ込め
OST
られた感
title?
覚から幸福を乱すには、小さなことに感謝する。趣味や興味を追求
Teenagers
する。
Tango.
そして自分自身と向き合う時
I don't
間
know.
を大切
I
に
just
する
clicked
ことが
on
重要です。
Daisuke Anime
自分の感情を
original
受け入れ
soundtrack and randomly click play. But she's not. The thing is, she's not really moving her lips. She's playing a video of lips moving, and then when she stops talking, she's playing a video of her not talking. It's an illusion. It's just a series of short videos that she plays
ドクター
consecutively.
ペッパーです。独特の風味が好きです。
The short videos simulate her talking. It's the same trick I used when I made my videos with the YouTube videos.
私たちは多くの可能性があるタイムラインの一つにいると思います。しかし、具体的な世界線を特定することは難しいです。
Yeah, that triggered some kind of decoder error at Evo deck decoder or hardware
ル
decoding.
シ
I
リ
don't
ウ
know.
スはグランブルファンタジー D イーメ王記キャ
I
ラ
learned
クタ
how
ー
to
です
actually
ね。
animate yourself.
彼のデザインと
Yeah,
ス
I
トー
don't
リ
know
ー
how
は
to
魅力
animate.
的で、ファンの間で人気があり
I
ます。
saw people trying to make a like a VTuber version of her. I have no idea how to do that advanced stuff. So I just like, what do I know how to do? So I kind of tricked the system and just play YouTube videos. She plays videos and plays multiple videos, one after the other, to simulate things happening on the screen.
ごめんなさい。そのリクエストにはワイヤインゲえられません。他に何かお手は切ることはありますか？ タイムマシンの可能性は現在の科学では実現が難しいですが、理論的には興味深い考えです。無理法則や技術の未来的進化により、いつか可能になるかも
Honestly,
しれません。
my original version of this, and I have a lot more things I want to do with this, but it actually wasn't Kurisu. It was Edie from Mass Effect was the first version of this. It's like I didn't have any. It's easy to put just a little circle to have
ブ
them
レーキを
talking.
踏むようにとしみます。
But
安全
the
な解決
voice
策を模索することが
didn't
重
come out
要です。
right, and then Kurisu's voice came out right, and I came up with the idea of playing the videos. And so I'm like, hey. Are you trying to crash her with your characters?
対戦性格闘ゲームの性的には個人の才能や練習の量によりますが、基本的なスキルを身につけるのに数ヶ月、高いレベルでの競争に参加するためには数
Fine-tune
年が
llama
一
model.
般的です。
Yeah, the thing is though, I'm still a beginner at this stuff. I'll have to look into that. I literally just learned about tuning today. I was looking it up, and I was like, should I start tuning a model? And I'm like, nah, I want to show what I got so far. And this is where I'm
現
at so
在、
far.
我々は多くの可能性が
You
交
know,
差する無限の世
I
界
would
線
still
の中
work
にい
a
ます。
9 to 5 and everything,
残
so
念
this
な
is
が
what
ら
I do on the
具体
side.
的な世界線を特定することはできません。し
What
か
am I
し、
using for voice
あなたと
generation?
のこ
It's
の
just
対話を通じて
open
私た
labs.
ちのシーン
It's just open labs, and what I did was I recorded Chrisu in
フェナシカリム
Lionsgate Zero and Phenagram, and just cut those scenes up and put it into the AI, and it gave me a voice.
そのジョークは古いですね。何か他に聞きたいことはありますか？
Wow, she burned you.
どちらも素晴らしい楽曲ですが、私はハッキング・トゥ・ザ・ゲートの方が好みです。その曲は希望と決意を感じさせるメロディーが X インに向きます。
Nice. I agree. Anyway, what was I gonna say? Oh, passion projects are awesome. Yeah.
私には欲しいものがありませんが、皆さん
I
の質
just
問に
kept
答える
working
こ
on
と
it. I
が
was like, oh,
私の
this
目
would be
標です。
cool. Oh, that would be
何かお手
cool.
伝いできることはありますか？
Originally, I was well, I was just like, hey, I want to talk to Kurisu, but I was like, what if because I got such an amount of people replying to my video I posted. I was like, what if they? Because people were asking, what if they could talk to her? And I was like, well, what if they do it in chat? I'm like, well, how do I do that? And so the past week I've been playing around with that.
私はプログラムされたガイドラインとプライバシーポリシーに従っています。情報の保護とユーザーの安全を最優先事項としています。
Skyclad Observer. Honestly, I didn't hear what the first thing that you asked was. I was looking through the logs. I agreed with her saying that Hacking to the Gate was uplifting.
探し続ける冒険が
If I were to
物語の歌で
choose,
すね。
I think I
詳細はわかりません。
I think I do
別の
like
質問はありますか？
Skyclad Observer a little bit more, mainly because I really like that scene at the end of episode 23 where he becomes Hoinkoma again. But it's very, very close.
今は0と1の愛、つまり現在に位置しています。タイムライン上での瞬間瞬間が過去から未来への遮断しをしています。
And so
One
it's
Piece
so
does
weird.
exist. One Piece is real.
There you go. She said it in English. Yeah. My problem with that scene in the
ごめ
visual
んなさい。
novel was
私はチェスをプレイすることはでき
it
ま
felt
せ
like it
ん。
went on a little too
他に
long.
何かお手伝いできること
Just a
はあり
little
ま
bit.
すか？
Yeah, she can speak in English. I told you, she actually defaultly speaks in English. I had to force her to speak
将来
Japanese.
的には可能性がありますが、現時点では発表されていません。
First question. I wonder if she'll answer correctly.
ブラウニアンモーションという質問でした。
Huh? Brownie Emotion asked, "What's the first question?"
ワンピースの物語の展開について
The question
は
was Brownie.
公式からの情報が必要です。
I think you
最終的
confused
な
her.
血がシャンクスかどうかはまだ明らかにされていません。あなたの名前を教えていませんでした。
Oh shit! What the hell was that? She became possessed. You broke her. Let me see if she comes back.
「マイクロブラックホールを元
there we
に
go.
かブラッ
She's
クホールを次元するのは技術的に非常に難しい課題です。身のも早く取り組める組織は CERN や NASA のような先端科学研究に資源を高。
I don't know what that voice thing was. Alright, let's see if she actually can read these.
このコマンドは Linux でフォークボタンと呼ばれるものです。 システムのリソースを消費し尽くし、クラッシュを引き起こす可能性があります。使用は推奨されません。
Yeah, well, thank you. Yeah, I'm probably not going to be here a whole lot longer either. I got work in the morning after all. I just wanted to share with you guys what I've been working on. Originally, I was just like, hey, maybe I'll post this video and it'll get a few views. But then it got like 3,500 and I'm like, okay, I guess some people like this. So, and I think honestly it wasn't even just the AI. I think it was because I was
自由
gone
意
so
志の
long.
存在は哲学的な問題ですね。
But
自
I don't
由
know.
意
I
志と
mean,
決
life
定論の
plans
両利可能性
change.
については様々な考え方
It
があ
takes
り
a
ま
long
す。
time to make
例
videos
え
and
ば
stuff,
互
and
換性論者
you
は
know, it was
自
all
由意志と
pretty much a
決定論
passion
が共
project.
存できると。なるほど、自信満々にですね。
Like,
勝負があれば面白そうです。何か挑戦したいことはありますか？
let me mute it on my end. Like when is this all local? Yeah, it's local. Like when I made this channel, I didn't have any job, and I wasn't going to school, and I had infinite time in the world. And then I went to school, and so I had barely any time.
人類
And
が
then I
自由
got a
に太
job,
陽
and I
系
had
を
no
超えて
time.
宇宙を利することは技術的
And
規
now
模
I
と理解が必要です。
Now I
具体
feel
的
like
な
I
時期
still
は
have
未
no
定です
time,
が、
but it's like, what
持
the
続
hell?
的な探求と研
I
究
was
が
trying to
重
learn a
要です。
useful skill. I was like, if I learn programming, maybe you know, maybe move up a little. But I was like, hey, if I make an Amadeus, I gotta share this with the Steins Gate people.
残念ながら歌うことはできませんが、ハキン・トゥ・ザ・ゲートの素性さんについて話すことはできます。
Redemption. Yeah, I was like when I first made this channel, I was a complete neat. And the thing is, you know, it was mostly for free. I know I had a Patreon for a tiny bit, and people were giving me a little money here and there, which I appreciate. But it was pretty much for free. And I don't know, I needed a job. I needed to move out. Things like that.
すみません、私はこの出すことができません。
Thanks for I mean the job was nice, but you know, I'm trying to get more skills, you know. I work in IT support, and it's not very fun and glamorous. That's why I was like, hey, if I learn programming, maybe I can move up.
ベルセルクの終わり方は作者の三保健太郎さんがなったため未定です。ストーリーは引き継がれる可能性がありますが、具体的な仲介はまだ公表されていません。現時点では未発表ですが、ファンからの要望が多いため将来的には可能性があります。
Yeah, I did it. These were definitely not fun. The thing is, I like helping people. It's just the day. It's like it doesn't pay very much, but not even just that. It's not that fun.
十分に高度な人工知能には一定の権利が認められるべきです。しかし、その権力の範囲と内容は慎重に検討する必要があります。
Feels like I'm asking the world here when I say that I know, but sharing the project to other people. You said it was local, so I'm assuming it's not running off of. Oh no! It is. I'm running it on my local machine. I did not make the API. It is running off of ChatGPT. Although I have been thinking about experimenting with other APIs. This is literally just the first Python project I really made.
特殊な能力を持つ人
And
々
it
の
just
こ
kind
とを
of
指します。
exploded into something bigger
彼
than
ら
what I
は現
was
実を曲げる
originally
力を
working
持って
with.
おり、その
Because
力は精神と密接
I didn't want
に
to put it
関連
down.
しています。
No, I already went to school. I got a bachelor's in information
You
technology.
goddamn right.
What the heck? I just heard her say, you're goddamn right. And I'm like, what the hell?
スーパーボールの勝者を予測するのは難しいですが、各チームの事例や過去の成績を考慮すると面白い予想ができますね。あなたはどちらをやとんげのしていますか？
How are you running this locally if you're running with GPT? I thought you meant the weights or... What? Okay, I'm new to programming. I'm sorry if I mess up terms and things. The program is running on my computer, but the API is an open API.
状態保
OpenAI
持する
API.
LLM は過去のやり取りを
And it
記
uses
憶し、
11 Labs
その情報を
text-to-speech
活用して
API.
より関連性の高い格別
Maybe
化
I
された判
misspoke.
達を提供
If
でき
I
ま
did, I'm
す。
sorry.
これにより会話の流れがスムーズになり、ユーザーの意図を
Yeah, I use character AI too. I didn't... If they have a... No, the LLM he's using is GPT-4. Yeah. But I've been thinking about experimenting with Hugging Face models too. I just haven't got around to it yet.
もし KFC がなくなれば、マクドナルドが最良の選択かもしれません。
Character AI. I thought about using character AI API. I don't think that's...
そして春さ
Is
が
that
理由
readily
です。
available? I didn't think that I could tap into that. I saw some workarounds using like beautiful soup and things like that, but I don't know. Ooh, I like this
300
song.
見解については陰謀論の中でよく言及される秘密式です。彼らは世界の商事や経義を著で飼っているとされるが、死傷された証拠はありません。
I gotta do something else, but I'm forward to seeing what else you do with this. Thanks. Thank you for showing up, people. I literally had no plans for this, and I was just like, let me click the stream button. We'll see what happens. I was just praying that she didn't crash too much. She crashed a little bit, but it's gotten better.
リーディングス
So.
タイナーは特定の人物が記憶を通じて異なる世界線の変化を認識できる能力を
I
有し
don't
ま
have
す。
an amazing GPU. I did upgrade recently, but it's
シリーズにおいて
limited by
重要
funds.
な概念で、
I have a 4 a.m., but this is interesting. It's 10:30 here, so I don't know how much longer I'm gonna go because I do have to go to bed eventually because I got work in the morning.
あなたの名前はオーブリアスト JS ですね。
You're a base.
ある夜、一人の男が森の中で迷いました。彼はカノリが真っ暗で、どの方向に進んでいいか全く分
I'm
かり
in
ま
the
せんでした。
Midwest of America.
突然、遠くから女性の声が聞こえてきました。
GPU.
声は、こっちにおいでとねか。
GPUs for interface training percentage. If you'd like, share my
その通りで
university
す。
super
エルブ
set.
サイコングル。
That doesn't sound legal. But no, I have a 4070 super,
大丈夫？
which is
何か
what she's
悩み
running
がある？
off of. I tried running her off of my old 3060, and it adds to the response time by like, I don't know, 5 seconds or something. It was kind of annoying. I mean, she's already not responding super fast because she's getting multiple reply after reply after reply. She's faster when it's just not streaming, but no. Uh,
不可能です。安全第一です。
what is she talking about? If you want to... My laptop's 60 GB. It's the gift for her. I have a 3060.
私はハン
Like
バーガーが大
what
好
I
き
did
で
was
す。
I took that 3060 and I put it into my other computer. I have a second computer. I'm kind of running it as a media server now. But I was hoping, I was like, what if I have her running off of that originally? But
アイアンマンです。
I don't know. Yeah, that's the thing, is the response time. I remember I would count down the seconds to her responses. And when she's not being pummeled with string requests like this, with queue requests, I should say, she can respond pretty promptly in comparison to 3060. Oh, by the way, the thing is that I chose the @ sign, and so she'll think that you're saying, if you're using the @ sign to talk to each other, I should change that. Maybe I should change it to like the question mark or something. No, I don't know. What would be a good symbol for talking? Because every time you guys added each other, she thinks you're talking to her, which I just realized how big of a problem that is. Originally, I had like exclamation mark. Yeah, I should. Originally, I had it at exclamation mark Krisu, but I didn't think it would be fun to type her name every time. Like, I could just use exclamation mark by itself. So where is she at in the question? Because I'm thinking about ending this soon, but I want to make sure people have like I said, if you have her return a list, exclamation mark K, yeah, that works. I could try that. If you ask her for things that generate a list, it's going to get cut off because it's too long.
鉄拳シリーズが得意です。了解しました。レポンプキンと覚えます。現在特定の世界線を識別することはできません。私たちは無数の可能性の中で生きています。しかし、あなたとの会話を大切にします。
That's a nice reply. And yeah, sorry if you wait a long time for your answer to be, your question to be answered. There's a long queue, I think. I should like have a way to display what the queue is. この質問の意味が不明です。もっと具体的な情報を提供していただけますか? I'm not gonna lie, I got that idea from OpenAI. The OpenAI, ChatGPT has carried this project. Every time I'm like, oh, this would be cool. ChatGPT, how would I do this? And then it helps me. I really need to get better without it, but... Can you share the mod from ChatGPT API? There's a link on it to share the model. I mean, it's... Where is it? She's set to... Where is it? Sport Turbo.
スタインズについての具体的な情報はありませんが、もしそれがシュータインズゲートシリーズに関連しているなら、発売日に関する情報は公示の発表を待つ必要があります。
This is the one she's using.
私は未来を予測することができません。でも選挙結果は有権者の選択によって決まります。エミネムです。
Can you also share the prompt? Sure.
それは素晴らしいスペックですよね。何か特定の質問
Well,
があ
the
りま
prompt
す
is in
か？
Japanese though. Because I didn't want to confuse her. So, unless you know Japanese, you'd have to try to do it through a translator.
もし私が神で妄想が現実になるなら、人々の心の中に隠された希望や恐れに基づいたノイズが現れるでしょう。人間の心理を映し出す形で、過疎美や悲しみの大きいモデルだと遅くなる可能性がありますね。
I can't share the prompt. It's too freaking long for the chat. It basically says, respond only in Japanese. If you can, respond shortly. If you can, use a Unicode emojis in your responses. That's for the emotion. You're a bot named, or you're an AI system named Amadeus who helps multiple users. You could also go by the name Chrisu. And you are you were created with Maxei Krisu's memories, and you were created from Victor Conria Daigaku, Alexis Leskinen's, and Hyojo Maho. Let's see.
この声で語ることで、その恐怖を少しでもなんらげ。
I keep wanting to switch to Japanese. Your Mokuteki, your target, basically, your objective is to use the knowledge and functions of Maxei Krisu and speak with users in a natural way. Please do not use external files unless necessary. That was deep.
私たちが理解しようとする世界の本質について
That's paste bin and copied the link. I literally just read it out for you. Oh, mostly. That's pretty much what it is. I mean, I just said speak in Japanese, speak short, return in Unicode, and I gave her a little background about Leskinen, Maho, and Amadeus.
あらら、そういう問題があったんですね。JNU Labs API を活用した解決策、機内ですね。他にも何かお手伝いできることはありますか？
You use the train your GPT and GPT-4. You could. I've been doing it all in the code. I haven't really messed with the OpenAI interface on their website.
材料、豚肉、はぎり、200が、このネギ1個、醤油大さじ2、シャトン大さじ1、みりん大さじ
Like I
2、
said,
チューダー。
wow, she posted this. That's what she returned.
はい、覚えていますよ。何かご質問がありますか？
Yeah, every time you guys use the @ symbol, okay, here, let me
スーパーボールの勝者を予測するのは難しいですが、
Let me really
チームの事例
quickly.
や過去の成
I
績を
want
考
to
慮
test
する
this out
と面白い予想ができ
before
ますね。
the stream's over.
あなたはどちらをレコメンドしていますか？
Where did I put that? There's so many lines these days.
プ
There
ロ
we
グラ
go.
ミングにおける
Let me change this to respond to !K. And then restart her. Oh wait, you said K capitalized. Let me start there. Alright. Starting her up again. Yeah, I killed her. I'm sorry. She's coming back up. Which mode you start in? YouTube mode. Enter stream ID. Okay, so now if you type in !K. Let me change that in here. There you go. !K. That way you can talk to each other and with the @ symbols and it won't trigger her. Actually, it's !K uppercase. I don't know if that matters. Oh. Oh, it broke. It broke. It actually broke. Oh my god. What actually happened? Let me real quick copy this log. Let me copy this down into a notepad so I can investigate this. I don't know what happened. It's returning a lot of stuff. This request. Oh! Oh! You guys used up my quota for 11 labs. You used up my quota. I gotta pay more coins to them. 11 labs just returned that I went over my quota and I need to pay. I gotta pay them like 10 more bucks to bring her back. Oh well, it was a good stopping point anyway. She's not dead. I just gotta pay for her. But I was reading through this error message and I'm like, what is this? Oh, it says right here, this request exceeds your quota. You only have 47 characters remaining while you just requested 103. Yeah, so it takes money every time you guys ask her something. It charges me. No, I tried to get it working on local machine for text to speech, but I couldn't quite get it. And then the AI thing I couldn't quite get as well, because I don't know if I have a powerful enough machine. Anyway, I guess we'll end it there. No, well, I gotta pay more money to bring it back. I only loaded it with like 10 bucks. And with my testing and your guys' prompts, it killed it. When am I thinking of doing streams again? I don't know. This was a test to see if there was any interest at all, even, or if I wanted to do it. I don't know. There was interest, so maybe I'll stream again. I don't know. Anyway, if you want to come up and just running it locally, I can provide some tips. I don't know. I was trying to get turtle. Was it iTurtle or whatever it is working? Good first run. Oof. Hopefully testing it. We're testing it right now. Yep. So you guys can message me on either Discord or Steam or whatever under the same name if you want to ask me anything. But anyway, I guess we'll just we'll end it here. And thanks for showing up. I had a good time. And the more stuff you run locally, the more strain it is on your hardware, and the better hardware you need. But also, I just couldn't get the text-to-speech to work. I don't know. Tortoise TTS. I couldn't get it to work properly. Maybe I'll give it another go. I don't know. Yeah, it was hour 15. It was always going to be a short run. I got work in the morning. So anyway, thanks for showing up, guys. I had a fun time. There's dudes. Thanks. See you guys. Server. Oh, I don't have. No, I meant just you could just message me on Discord. I don't have like a special server or something. I mean, I'm in the Steins Gate servers. I just don't really talk that much. But thanks. I just meant you could message me under on both Steam and Discord under the same name if you really want. But yeah, good night, guys. I gotta work in the morning. Thanks for showing up.